Welcome to today's news. Engineers India Limited (EIL) opens recruitment of management trainees, check vacancies, eligibility and more. Engineers India Limited (EIL) is inviting online applications from candidates for the recruitment of management trainees through GATE 2025. Eligible candidates can apply for the post on the official website of EIL at recruitment.eil.co.in. According to the official notification, graduate engineers or final year students of engineering from relevant disciplines who have appeared in GATE 2025 examination and cleared the exam can apply for the careers in Engineers India Limited. The last date to submit application is on April 7, 2025. As per the official notification, candidates can apply for one post only, either for MT construction or for MT others. Vacancy details: chemical 12 posts, mechanical 14 posts, civil 18 posts, electrical 8 posts. Qualification: applicants must have passed full-time engineering degree course BE or BTech or BSc engineering in minimum qualifying period with minimum 65% mark. As mentioned above, only candidates who appeared in GATE 2025 examination for relevant disciplines chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering and electrical engineering can apply. Age limit: generals 25 years, OBC non-creamy 28 years, SC ST 30 years, PWD general 35 years, PWD OBC NCL 38 years, PWD SC ST 40 years. Selection process: shortlisted candidates will be required to appear for group discussion and interview at Delhi. Only shortlisted candidates will be informed for interview through email on their registered email IDs. All such candidates eligible for interview will be paid to from limited to third AC sleeper rail fare by the shortest route from the mailing address as mentioned in the application to the interview center. The selection of candidates will be based on the details provided. Any false or incorrect information may result in disqualification from the selection process at any stage. Selected candidates will undergo training of 1 year at any of its offices: Head Office New Delhi, Gurugram office, regional offices at Chennai, Vadodara, Calcutta, branch office at Mumbai, inspection offices or project sites, etc. in India. Thereafter, posting can be at any of these offices and project sites in India and abroad. EIL Management Trainees Recruitment 2025. How to apply? Visit the official website at recruitment.eil.co.in. Enter your credentials and to log in and submit. Go to Recruitment of Management Trainees section. Select post to apply, that is MT construction or MT others. Click on new registration details for initial registration and fill the online form with all the relevant details. On successful submission of online form, a registration number will be generated. Note down the registration number as the same would be required for all future correspondence. Candidates must mention his or her correct GATE 2025 registration number. Candidates has to ensure filling up of correct information. In case of filling up of wrong or invalid information, the application will be summarily rejected. Documents required: scanned copy of their passport size photograph in JPEG format of maximum 75 KB size, scanned copy of signature in JPG or JPEG format of maximum 25 KB size, scanned copy of caste certificate for SC, ST and OBC non-creamy layer candidates and disability certificates for persons with disability candidates in JPEG or JPG format of maximum 500 KB size, scanned copy of percentage conversion certificate issued by competent authority from institute or university in JPG or JPEG format of maximum 500 KB size. In case where the declared result is already in percentage, student should upload a self-certification regarding the same EIL stated. Fill the details online for final submission and submit. Upon successful submission, an auto-generated mail will be sent on the registered email ID. The candidates are required to take printout of the application after submission of online form. They are required to keep the printout of the application, which will be required at the time of personal interview in case they are shortlisted. For more related details, candidates are advised to visit the official website. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com. Thank you.